Hi, greetings of the day. Welcome to my channel Kumulanubus.ai. My name is Vidya. I'm a passionate technologist and a cloud architect. Today we are going to create a simple linked list using Golang. We have the template already here. To begin with, we have the package main and then we go ahead and import package fmt for printing some logic messages. The entry point to this application starts with main and so we begin here. To proceed with creating a linked list, we first go ahead and declare a node. A node in a linked list comprises of data and link to the next node. Let's now go ahead and create the list node. Type list node struct. We have two entries, one representing the data and the other one representing the pointer to the next node. This gives the definition of the linked list. Definition of singly linked list. We go ahead and add the nodes to the list. Add nodes to the list. We'll create a head node and then pass a value. Data to be initialized with say value 11. This will be the first node. Now we can go ahead and define the second one. Similarly, go ahead and have 21. As of now, none of these nodes are used, and so you see a warning message. Sorry, one. So the third node. Fourth one. '41. So our list looks more or less like this. It's going to be 11 pointing to 21 and then pointing to 31. Then 41. 5 nodes and then we stop. So I'll go ahead and add one more entry. So I have 5 nodes defined here. Now we go ahead and link the nodes. Head of next, I can do second one. Second of next, go to the third one. So you see the warnings getting removed here automatically as we are using them. We have the fourth one unused, so we say third of next. Equal to fourth. 4th of next. Now that we have created the linked list, we go ahead and display it to see if things are looking as we expect, like this. So we say display the linked list. Let's have a traversal node pointing to the head. Now we begin iteration for traversal not equal to nil. We walk over the linked list and then print them one by one. Println traversal dot data traversal equal to traversal dot next. So we move one by one. We start with this on traversal, we print it and then move here. Again we print it, move here. We move, keep on iterating until we hit nil. We'll save this and attempt a run. Yeah, good. So we have 11, 21, 31, 41 and 51 as expected. So we have successfully been able to create a single linked list over here and then display it. Thanks for watching. If you like the kind of videos that I'm making, consider subscribe.